Hello everybody. Welcome back to G Mama's World. How y'all doing today on this lovely Saturday? It's not cold. It's just a little breeze with the sun. No more rain for now. But I'm coming to you all today with a McDonald's Mukbang. Let me show y'all what I got. I got that delicious mac rib, y'all. Look at that. Woo! That sounds look good. I got that delicious fillet of fish. Look at that. Fillet of fish. I got the fries. You turn them around so you can see them golden fries. See that fries? And a apple pie. This is that $6 meal. You can get a sandwich, fry, and a pie. And here's my drink, Dr. Pepper, McDonald's. Any kind of burgers or nuggets with the fry and the drink, and it comes with a pie. So I have 2 pies. You know I'm not going to eat both of them, but I have 2 pies because I bought 2 meals. So we're going to pray. Let me take all my paper goods off of here. We're going to pray and we're going to get started. So you all go get your lunch and come on and sit down with G Mama. Or if you just got off of work, come on and get your dinner. Because you're going to have to eat and go back to sleep for that 2 to 10 shift or that midnight shift. So come on and enjoy being with G Mama while you're awake. Come on and eat with me while you ain't doing nothing. Okay? Because some of y'all just catching up on your shows that you done recorded all week. I know how that is. All right, we're going to pray and we're going to get started. Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Hallelujah. Lord, watch over the ones that prepared it, Lord. In the name of Jesus, that it may not harm my stomach or do anything to my body. In the name of Jesus, amen. All right, y'all. We're going to get started. This fillet of fish, I don't really like a lot of sauce on it, so I'm going to take some of this sauce off of here. I don't really like a lot of tartar sauce. So I take that off of there. And I like sweet and sour on my fillet. It makes it taste real good. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. They say, ooh, you eat weird, you eat weird. And you know what? I likes it on these fries. Ha ha. Yes, yes, yes. See, this stuff just not for nuggets. Who told y'all that? You can eat this with anything. This is a sauce. So who told y'all that? Put my trash in my bag. Okay. And hear me some more just in case I miss some of my fries. Alright, right there. Alrighty, y'all. Let's get going. It's juicy. Every so often they bring these back, and when they do, I try to get one. Oh. Hold on, y'all. I don't want to choke on camera. Okay. I want you guys to thumb up on, like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you give it a thumb down, just give it a thumbs down. G Mama love you all. Okay? Comment down below. Let G Mama know how you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Tell each and every one you come in contact with about G Mama. And also hit that notification bell. So every time I drop a brand new video, you'll be the first one to see it. Okay? So just do those things for G Mama. Okay? And for the comments, I sure do appreciate you all for all the love that you have been showing G Mama. I really do. Deep down in my heart, I really do appreciate you guys for the comments and the kind words that you have been giving me. Okay? I know I'm new. I only been here less than 2 months, but I'm getting the hang of it. And it was something I thought I couldn't do, but I'm doing it. And I really love the comments that's coming my way. Okay? So just be patient with me. I'ma get it. Okay? So let's get back to eating because my food getting cold. I ain't gonna get mushy on y'all today. See, I eat McDonald's fries as long as they hot. I see they got that them nuggets going around. That nugget challenge going around. Ooh, ain't nobody challenged me yet. You know, G Mama's little bitty, but somebody might pick G Mama up and have G Mama eating all them nuggets so y'all can see me sweat. That be love. That's my sister. I love her. That sister age 60. They're gonna have to come on to beat her. 60. Woo! This is missing. I'm gonna talk to y'all. G Mama hungry. I didn't have no breakfast. So this probably be my meal today. I go to church today. But it depends on how I feel when I get out of church. If I stop to get my favorite, I'm gonna make y'all a video. My Williams chicken. I don't think I ever had their pie before since they done changed them. They look good though. Look at that. It looks good. Everybody's coming out with a pumpkin pie. I don't like pumpkin pie. I don't like potato pie. I ain't no big sweet eater. They bringing Thanksgiving out before Thanksgiving, making I want Thanksgiving food. Mm-mm-mm. I went into the store. I think it was CVS. Because they had the after the Halloween sale on the candy. So I went to get a bunch of candy. I know I told you I was going to do a coupon segment, but I'm waiting on the rain to let up because my shed is in my backyard and I don't want the dogs jumping up on me and knock me down in all that mud. So I'm trying to wait on it to dry up out there. But I went to CVS, and where else did I go? Walmart. They skipping over Thanksgiving, going back to Christmas. If you didn't know Thanksgiving was coming, you would think it was December, because they already getting ready for Christmas, and also in Sam. I said, they don't even mention Thanksgiving, hardly. We go from Halloween to Christmas. Excuse me. It's all that carbonated water. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Who like make ribs? Comment down below and tell G-Mama how you like your McRib. Do you like it with only the pickles and the onion? Or do you add cheese on it? Or do you put tomatoes on it? How do you like your McRib? Let me know. I like mine just like they make it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is not going to be a very long video today. G-Mom just want to show her face on here today. To let y'all know how I appreciate you all for the love and the support. Trying to eat these fries before they get cold. You know what happens when they get cold? They get pushed to the side. Pushed to the side. Mm-mm-mm. Who all hate when you go to a restaurant and they give you a handful of ketchup and you never use it? I got a drawer over there. If I get all that ketchup out there, I can fill up a jug. I can fill a ketchup jar up. With all that ketchup they give me, I try to catch them and tell them I don't want it. because I don't really hardly use it. I'm stuck on one kind, either Hunt's or, well, majority of the time Hunt's. I don't hardly buy the other ones. They're money. Excuse me. Ooh, Lord. I'm going to show y'all something too when I get through eating. At Amazon, the some meal. The last 2 orders I have ordered from Amazon. Normally I get my stuff on time when they say, because I'm a Prime subscriber. And for the last 2 orders, because I'm on this website, like I said, I coupon, so I get everything. I'm cheap. But anyway, I got a pair of boots that's normally $30, and I got them for $11.99. They had the boots. They sent me the boots. They lost the boots. Between my house, from their place to my house, they lost it. This is the second time they have done it, because when I ordered my camera, they lost it. And I'm like, what's going on? Are you losing it, or somebody double tracking and coming back and getting it? What's going on? So I ordered I'm going to show y'all. I'm finna show you. I told y'all my griller, my very first mukbang seafood ball with my 2 girls. We put a platter on my griller, and the platter stuck to the griller. So when I got it up off of there, it was still stuck. I can clean it off and still use it, but I wanted a bigger one, because that food was stacked high and it was falling over. But anyway, this is a griller here, but it goes on your burners on your stove. So I wanted one this size that'll hold all my food. Even if I have a mukbang, it'll hold it. Let me show y'all what these folks sent me. They ran out of the one that I ordered. Y'all be patient, but this is what they sent me. This is my griller, y'all. G-Mama ain't gonna ever have that much food. Ever. And not try to eat it all by myself. Now, if I got 4 people and I'm doing a seafood ball, here you go. This is a griller, y'all. This where you plug it up at. See? It's a griller. They said that they didn't have the griller. They didn't have the griller that I ordered. So they sent me that. And I took it because it was the same price as the other one. But my mind is, if I ordered a griller this size, why not find me another griller this size? This here look like that thing, what they call that, where they cook their food in front of you? Them folks with them big old knives and they shoo, 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 shoo. That's what that thing look like. And I ain't finna do none of that. But G-Mama gonna use it one day. I don't know when, but one day I'm gonna use it. I just wanted to show y'all that. I had been looking at it and looking at it. I was like, let me tell them what these folks done did to me. And now they done lost my boots. The man said, we're going to put your money back on your card. You can reorder the boots. I can reorder the boots, but the code is gone. So I have to pay $30. I don't want to pay no $30 for no boots. Did I make work one time? Because my feet swell up so bad, you know, they be trying to come out them boots like Incredible Hulk. Who remember that show? That big green man. I used to love that show. You make him mad and his back start growing. That's some old show. I used to love them. Bewitched, Adam 12, Herman the Monster. No, the Monsters. That's what they name. Leave It to Beaver. What is it? Dennis the Menace. All them old shows. That was a good show. What they call it, Engine 21. Y'all, G-Mama getting with it today. I'm trying my best. Actually, I'm gonna stop trying to leave all that food on this thing and start eating it. So I'm gonna start getting what I can eat. Quit trying to worry about trying to fill this platter up and just do what I can do. You know, they'll love you more if you do what you can do and not what you can't do. But I want y'all to give G-Mama some topics to talk about so I can stop rambling. Because once my channel get up and get going, I want to keep it interesting. But y'all tell me what y'all want to hear, talk about. I'm coming for you, buddy. I don't think I done forgot about you, buddy. I don't think I forgot about you, buddy. That's too much. That, what is that called? Pie? I may taste you. I might. You don't look appealing. I should have left that pie like it was. Back in the day. Some things you don't need to change. Some things remain the same. Yeah, them hard French fries. Paper towel falling. What y'all gonna be doing for Thanksgiving? What you cooking? I know I talked about that on my other video. What y'all cooking? Oh, this here, they had some, I threw them in here. Wait a minute. On top of here. Oh, it wasn't there on top of here. on top of here, the little game piece. So I guess you have to buy certain burgers. What did I buy the other night and they had this on here? Oh, my french fries. What did I have the other day? And I bought this. Oh, when I did the $5 box night, I bought those chicken tenders and they had it on there. But it's a little game piece. You pull it off and it got the little thingy here. See that? It got that there. And you go on your phone and it's a barcode and you scan it and it gives you points. And you can use those points to register into the sweet state. And I don't know what you win out of the sweet state. You know, we never hear about it. Somebody always win in Taiwan or California, somewhere way up in that Wisconsin. So we never know who won. Have you noticed when folks win the lotto, when they get up into like that 456,000 million, it's always somebody way underway. Way underway. I think it's almost like that so you can't identify these folks to see if they really won. Cause when they you know, when they win that kind of money, they don't want to be known. But I heard, this is a legend, that they trying to make it where you can't go anonymous no more. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. That you have to show, you know, if you want that kind of money and they do a press or whatever, you got to let these folks see you so they can beg. That's the part of going into hide. You don't want folks sending you letters talking about their rent is due. And they car note is due. If I pay your rent this month, how you going to pay it next month? Oh, you want me to pay it the whole year? Ha! All righty now. But y'all good on them lottos. I don't do lottos. What did I do with my napkin? Did I throw it in this sack? Here it is. I'm just throwing away stuff. Just throw away everything. But I was just thinking about that when I got this little ticket here. Y'all, G-Mama is almost done. Y'all see G-Mama? G-Mama good. G-Mama ate them french fries, y'all. I like McDonald's french fries. Yes, I really do. Y'all, my burger's still hot. I like McDonald's french fries. And I eat some fries if they hot. But you know them fries, they get so cold. Ooh wee. But McDonald's, if you catch them while they busy, they cooking them french fries. By the time you get them home, they still hot. Okay. I ain't had one in so long. And that sweet and sour sauce. Oh, It just gives it a whole nother, totally different taste. Mm-mm-mm. I need to try it. Mm-hmm. You need to try it. You might say, well, if you don't like the tartar sauce or you don't like a whole lot, why you don't just tell them to put a lid on there? Because by the time you put in that order, tell them to put the lid in there, that 2 minutes going to turn into 20 minutes. So I better bring it on home and swipe it on off. Mm-hmm. Save all my time. Yep. Mm-hmm. Tinker running through here, y'all. I guess she got the attitude because I ain't dropping nothing. Y'all hear me talking about my dog. She's a Yorkie. I said, y'all got a dog, comment down below. Because she need a friend. For real. Oh, she act like a child without being a child. Y'all, all this bread. I'm getting done with this bread. Whew. That bread like the potato. I'm going to eat the most important thing to me. That pie might not get touched. Let me try it. So I could say I bit it. If I would have had a choice out of this here and ice cream, no, not no ice cream, but out of this here and what I could have traded with this here. Not no more fries, because I won't go eat no more fries. Well, maybe they got chocolate chip cookies, because I can say that for later. But they should give you a choice, but the pie comes with the meal. Mm-mm. 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 Uh-uh. Nope. Mm-mm. Oh. All right. I don't even know what that tastes is. Y'all know how when you have a pie, excuse me, when you cook a pie or something and you pull it apart and it's still doughy like it didn't get all the way done. That's what this feeling tastes like. This is some awful stuff, y'all. They selling this stuff to folks. This is some awful stuff, y'all. Look at that feeling. That's some, ooh, Lord, that's some awful stuff. Woo-hoo. I tried it. Next time I'm asked, well, I ain't gonna get this no more. I often say next time I'm ask the manager, can I get some here? But, I won't be doing this again. I'll be trying to just find something quick so I can do a video for you guys. But, anywho, they building a Chipotle by my church. So, I'll be glad when they get it done, because I like Chipotle. I'm trying to see how I would do that, incorporate that into this. Cause them things are so big, Lord. I can't eat one of them in no one segment. Unless I can get it. I have a part one, a part one and a part two on how to eat a Chipotle. Lord, y'all will stop following me for real. Y'all see that woman over there done lost her mind. She put got a Chipotle sandwich. It had part one and part two on how to eat it. How long it took her to eat it. Y'all, I love y'all. Y'all makes my day. You really do. Give me something to do. Even though I'm talking to my phone, it's just like I'm talking to you guys. But y'all, G-Mama's done. G-Mama did good. I ate everything except for that pie. But I tried it and didn't like it. Let me stop. Oh, y'all, G-Mama forgot to do a thumbnail. Okay. That's my thumbnail. What you know about that? Okay, guys, I have enjoyed you all today. I want to let you know that I really do appreciate the love and the support that you guys are giving me. This is on a serious tip. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys, okay? I want you all to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Let G-Mama know what you thought about her video and what you would like to see in the future, or either on my next video. And another thing, hit that notification bell so you'll know when G-Mama drop a new video. And I want you guys to share this video. And most importantly, come back and see the other videos. Okay? If no one told you today that they love you, always remember, G-Mama do. You pray for me, and I'm going to pray for you. Okay? So I'm going to get out of here. It was supposed to be a short video, and I made it kind of long, y'all, but it ain't that long. But y'all be good, and y'all be safe. All right? Peace. Y'all, I'm still here.